One.
Hi, I'm Claudia Schaefer, and I'm a 5th grader at Edgar Wright Elementary. And I'm serving the Golden Fall Refresher. It took me 5 different tries to find the right recipe that tasted amazing. First, you start with 5 ounces of sparkling water, non-flavor, because it'll have too much flavor in your drink and it won't go good with your flavors. I already added the 5 ounces in because it takes a little bit to put them in. Then you add 2 ounces of apple cider. So you've got to fill it pretty much to the top line, and you don't want too much or it adds too much flavor to your drink. And that also isn't good because, well, too much flavor isn't always the best. Then you have to add a splash of pineapple. And a splash of lime. Last but not least, 1/2 of an ounce of mango. Then you stir it around to clash all the flavors together and enjoy!